What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Tweetmate include sensitive content. So this problem, a lot of people have this problem on their Twitter and they couldn't find the solution for this. So that's why I made this video guys, to help you with this. So what you want to do guys to fix this problem, you want to just open your Twitter, okay? So if you want to fix this problem on the app itself, there is no way here because I did a lot of research, but I found a solution. So what you want to do guys, you want to open your browser. It could be Google Chrome or any browser you have on your phone, iPhone or your Android phone. Just open your browser and search for Twitter, and you have to log in on the browser, not on the app, okay? So if you want to fix this problem, so you won't have this problem anymore only on your like Twitter app on your phone. You can still use your Twitter app, but you have to the first time you have to like you know, you have to use the browser for one time only. So just log in into your Twitter. As you can see here guys, this is my Twitter. Like, enter your information, and after that you want to click your profile picture in the top left, okay? All right, now you want to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. As you can see here, settings and privacy. And after that, what you want to do guys, you want to click on privacy and safety. And after that, you want to click on first you want to click on content you see, and make sure to uncheck this, okay? Probably you will find it checked like this. You will display media that may contain sensitive content. You want to make sure check this, okay? Check this. As you can see, you will find it like this. When you check this, Twitter is going to show you like media that may contain sensitive content, okay? You won't have this problem anymore. Just check this. As you can see, it's checked now. As you can see, this blue icon here, and go back and click on your tweets. Here, if you want to check this, if you want to mark media you tweet as having material that may be sensitive, you can just check this. But if you don't want, you can uncheck this. So that's exactly how you can fix this problem on your Twitter app. You can now go back to your Twitter app and you can use it, and you won't find that problem anymore. Or if you find that problem, if you want, and anytime you want to see a sensitive content, you can just use your browser. It's exactly how you can see the sensitive content. Let me know if this works guys in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.